Hello friend, welcome to my channel. If you hear some mistakes in my video today, that is normal. I have failed to master English many times before. My pronunciation is not perfect, and I used to feel very anxious about it, but not anymore. Today, I choose to accept my mistakes and try one more time. I will speak slowly and practice 3,000 common words every day. Thank you for listening to my journey. Let's start. Yesterday, I made a very big decision. I decided to change my life. I decided to change my lifestyle. For many years, I wanted to speak English. I wanted to speak English fluently, and I always failed. To be honest, I can say I failed 100 times. Every time I started, I felt very happy at first. I bought many books. I opened my computer screen and I studied for 3 hours. But after 1 week, everything changed. The grammar was too hard. The words were too long. I felt very tired. I felt very frustrated. When you feel frustrated, your mind wants to stop. Your mind wants to choose comfort. So I stopped. I dropped out of my classes. I dropped out of my online courses. I put my books in the dark corner of my room. I told myself that English was not for me. I told myself that I was too old to learn a language. Every time I dropped out, my confidence went down. I looked in the mirror and I felt sad. I felt like a man who could not finish anything. I was a professional beginner. I was always starting, but I never finished. But 2 days ago, something changed inside me. I was sitting in my kitchen, drinking a hot cup of coffee. I looked at my phone screen and I saw my old photos. I remembered my old dreams. I remembered my goals. Why did I want to learn English? I wanted to learn English to get a better job. I wanted to improve my income. I wanted to travel to new countries. I wanted to explore the world, discover new cultures, and talk to local people. I realized that fear was holding me back. Fear of making mistakes was killing my dreams. I sat in my kitchen for a long time. I looked at the rain outside, and then I said to myself, no more excuse. It is time to give it another shot. Yes, I decided to give it another shot. This time, I will not run away. This time, I will not wait until my English is perfect. because I know that a perfect person does not exist. Every expert was once a beginner. Every person who speaks English well once made many terrible mistakes. Making mistakes is not a crime. It is just a natural process of growth. So, what is new method this time? In the past, my method was wrong. I tried to I tried to do too much. I wanted instant success. This time, my method is very simple. I will not study for 3 hours a night. I will not try to remember 50 words a day. That is a dangerous trap. This time, uh, I will only focus on 10 words a day. Only 10 words. 10 words is small choice, but it is a smart choice. I will speak very slowly. I will read very simple sentences aloud, rain or shine, every single day. I know that progress will not come in one day. Progress is a slow journey. There is a famous saying that I love. Rome wasn't built in a day. A big house is built from small bricks. A big house is built from small bricks. A strong body is built from single workouts at the gym. And good English is built from simple words every day. I must be patient with my brain. I must be patient with my brain. I must listen to my body and my mind. If I feel tired after a busy day at work, I will not stop. I will just read one simple sentence and then I will rest. The secret is that I must keep at it. I promise to myself that I will keep at it. I will keep at it for 365 days. This video is the first step of my 365-day challenge. It is a physical and mental challenge for me. I am doing this to improve my skills, but also to build my discipline. Discipline is the most valuable thing a man can have. Motivation can fail you. Motivation can fail you, but discipline will save you. When you have discipline, you show up and do the work, even when you don't feel like it. That is how we achieve success. Today, I am very happy because I opened my microphone. I am very happy because I am speaking to you now. My jaw muscle feel a bit hot and my voice is not perfect, but my mind is clear. I don't feel anxious anymore. I feel focused. I feel full of energy. I know that some people might watch this video and they might see my mistakes. That is okay. Your judgment cannot stop my progress. Your words cannot destroy my dislike. I am learning for myself, not for anyone else. Emma, a friend I met at an English club, once told me, practice makes perfect. David, Emma, a friend I met at an English club, once told me, practice makes perfect. David, just keep your chin up and more forward. Her words encourage me a lot. We all need someone to encourage us on a lonely road. And today, I want to encourage you too. If you are listening to my voice and you are also a beginner, please don't be afraid. If you also failed many times in the past, let's join hands. Let's give it another shot together. We can be teammates on this long journey. Tonight, after finish this video, I will clean my desk. I will prepare my notebook for tomorrow's lesson. Tomorrow, we will talk about a new topic. We will talk about everyday routines and time management. It will be another excellent experience. I am looking forward to it day by day, word by word. We will get closer to our goal. And one day, when we look back at this first video, we will smile, we will feel deeply proud of ourselves because we did not quit when things were hard. Thank you for spending 10 minutes with me today. Thank you for walking with me on this first step. Remember, don't wait for motivation. Choose one small thing to do today and build your own digital life. Take control of your life step by step. I finished today's practice. Thank you for being patient with my slow English. Making mistakes is just a part of the progress. You don't be afraid. If you support my effort, please hit subscribe and leave a comment below. Have a peaceful day and see you tomorrow.